If you're having issues adding in a location to a post on Instagram, in this video let me show you the things that you can try out in order to solve this issue. Now the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that if Instagram has the location permission. So what you simply need to do is hop out of the application, tap and hold the app, and then head over to this eye icon. You basically want to head over to the permission settings, so you'd be able to find it exactly here. Just tap on app permissions and make sure that the location option is set to allow. If this is set to deny, this is the exact issue that you are facing. So as soon as you set this to allow, you'll be able to add in the current location that you're in. But however, if you are not being able to add in any sort of location, whether your current location or any other sort of location, then this is likely the cause of app bugs. So what you can do is uninstall the Instagram application from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.